I was a little girl, you brought a fight to my world. I've been shy, I've been silent for too long. You bring me the sunlight. You bring me the sunlight.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to show you what's inside our fridge. So the brand is Hisense, and we have a 3-door fridge. So 1, 2, 3. The bottom is the freezer. There is a display of the temperature of the fridge. So first door is 6 degrees, second is 0. The freezer is a negative 15 degrees. And here I have photos of my nieces, Juliana and Justin, and of course our photo, hubby and me. Then we have fridge magnets, 2 tuk-tuks, and 2 pandas. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Alright, so on top, on the first shelf, I have 3 teas. This is my favorite. This is so yummy because this is not super sweet. Okay, they use honey. Girl, I don't know. But mauna siya. I just love this tea so much. Then I have Rose and American pomegranate, and this is a fermented milk. I have 2, 1 and 2. And on top, there's my aloe vera that's from the face shop. I place it there. So every time I'll apply it on my face, it's going to be cold. So second shelf, we have Coke. Then I'll show it to you. Ta-da! I have my Hello Kitty strawberry flavor yogurts. So I have a lot. Today. Nanahan ko kay Hello Kitty man. O, di ba bongga siya? O, na siya. Those are my yogurts. And then, here, here, we have, hubby has a lot of soya milk. Kani siya. Muna yung ganahan. Then, we have melon. Bakura ni siya nagpalit ni Bibi. Melon. Nagreklamo na siya. Then, of course, eggs. O, diba? Ganahan ko ani nga mga saan siya organizer or containers. Kaya diba, uniform. Guwapa siya. Then, third shelf, we have grapes. Then, dragon fruits. We love dragon fruits. Oh, not siya. So, moving on. Okay. So, here, we have kimchi. We have okra. We have eggplant, tomato, squash, onion, and lemon for our water. So, mura na siyang sulod ani niya nga section or part. Here's the door. So, I have my mask from Innisfree. I put it here. So, every time I'll apply it, bugnaw siya. Nice siya. Makaklaw siya o pores. Char ba? Ay, face shop di ay. These are from face shop. So, I have plenty. Then, the whitening pore mask and the saan siya? Sleeping mask. Then, here, I have my yogurt. Okay. Puno na dito. So, dry na ko gibutang. O, diba? Wala silang yogurt. Then, I have, I think, 3 packs. Yeah, 3 packs of Barrio Fiesta Bago. Oh! O, diba? Lami ni siya. Lami kayo ni siya. Isaw-saw o ka nang pwede isagol sa mga hipon. Uban pa. Then, ginamos. O, diba? Ako din siyang gisip-sip para daw gay mahurot. O, na siyang ginamos from Cebu. Then, I have I have Jelly Ace. O, diba? Hello Kitty. Wala lang. Then here, I have Ascoff syrup. I have 2 bottles. I brought it. We also bought it in Cebu last July. So, mo na siya. Kanina naman ang mo-work na ko if na ako iubo. Pero simba ko. Hindi na ako ubuhan. And then, I have water, of course. Hello Kitty. It's a Tupperware water bottle. Diba? Kwapa siya. Then, we have cheese. European cheddar cheese. And sa ubos, tadang! Hubby's beer, imported from Germany. Kung ano ni siya, lager beer. Reklamo na ang rough. Then I have my apple juice. Then soda water. Today. Then sila yung yogurt. It looks like biberon, no? So, imura siyang i-twist ang cap. Dayon, i-insert ang straw. O, diba? Drama. Cute man siya. Para ma-inspire ko magsigig yogurt pa. Char ba lang? So, nice ang mga design sa bottle. O, diba? Ano pa siya? Mauna siya sa first door. Let's move on to the second door. So, sa first niya nga, so tawag ano niya ay kanang door. I have Haagen-Dazs. So, ito ni mooncake. Ice cream mooncake. O, diba? Guwapa kayo siya, no? Nahan ka? Yan mo na, oh. So, Naomi, napa ko itulo. These were given by hubby's employer during the Mooncake Festival. Pero dobe pa man siya ma-expire. So, wala siya. Napa ko extra nga tulo. Then, here, we have our cheese. Shredded cheese. Bacon. Kagumay na lang sa among butter. Then, our ice cream. Ano na siya? New Zealand Natural Premium Ice Cream. Diba? Bongga. Nasya din, ha? Then, let's move on to the last door, which is the freezer today. Okay, so first drawer is, it has 3 doors. So first drawer, yung mga ice lang. These 2 are for drinking, while this one is for my face. So I put toner. O, diba mo ng pink siya? Toner for my face. Para sa pores. Okay. Next drawer, ice cream. So, we have Magnum. Uban siya. Drumstick. Siguro na siya. Ay, dili drumstick. Uy, kanang saan na tawag ka na. Then, drumstick. Drumstick ba? Pero lang yung brand. Pero selector. Again, siguro na siya. Then, we have ham. Then, bacon. Muna siya. Then, last drawer, of course, ang among mga meat. Ganun siya. So, we have pork, fish, chicken. So, ako siyang gibutang o container, plastic container para limpyo. Because I want everything to be organized. Ang fish ay wala na sulod because we don't have a big container. So, na siya sa plastic. But, clean na siya. Mauna na siya! Oh, diba? Pas-pasra. So, I'll show you once again what's inside the first door. Oh, diba? Mauna siya. Ganahan ko hinlo. Ganahan ko organize na. Nice, no? Nice. Then, second, ang katong Haagen-Dazs nga ice cream, mooncake, o mga cheese, mga bacon. Muna siya. Then, ang last, kay ang freezer. Kabong mo kanong Naano ni siya nga fridge no when we arrived I mean available naano ni siyang fridge pag rent na mo sa apartment. Pero kung if ako ang papalito ng fridge, dili ing ani ako ang palito niya tulo ka buok. Why? Cause diba gamay ra kag mabutang. Diba no? Gamay ra kag sa gamay ra ba yung sakto kung nakay bahaw din mo butang imong kadiro. Basta kung may taduhan na lang kani siya, diretso lang ta diri no, wala na ni siya nga kanang door ba. Wala sa ko opinion, but still we're so happy, we're so kanang grateful nga dako ang ref nga na sa apartment. So I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I'll upload videos. I'll see you later, guys. Bye!